Welcome back, another episode here on the Richter Show. Since I have a lot of time to kill because I'm too early for my check-in, I'm walking actually from the train station all the way to my hotel. It's about a 25-minute walk, so it's not too bad per se. I need to kind of kill time, and then I'm probably going to go have a brunch or so, if I still can't check in, and then try again later. I'm still walking with my luggage. Might as well take the scenic route. It looks like they're doing some tree cutting. This is just a little park. There's people coming. You can do shortcuts with it, or just enjoy the day. There's a little gazebo area here. People are just enjoying their day, minding their own business, riding a bicycle, just relaxing. Because what you have to understand too is that places like these get really cold in the winter, and then you're going to be wishing you did more during the summer.
So first things first, I had to look for a place to have breakfast, or basically brunch. And of course, I had to look at some local beers, so I took advantage of getting a local beer here for brunch. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. And sometimes you just have to have a beer for brunch or for breakfast. That is actually totally normal in Europe.
This is the breakfast that I got. So I just had breakfast at this area, which is about 30 seconds from the Best Western that I usually stay at. So if you go to my Best Western video, which is the Best Western's over there, you can see the sign. And then this place, they serve pretty good breakfast, good price, and it's a place that I would actually recommend. So I'm not really doing a full review on it, but I kind of picked it at random because I was actually very hungry, but it was actually worth it. Sometimes these little places like that are hidden are little gemstones. Let's put it that way.
So after checking into the hotel, I went ahead and I wanted to explore the city. So I'm going to show you a couple of things around here. And it's actually a very interesting city. It does have unique things. Like, for example, it used to be like the capital city for centuries, and was the coronation and burial place for Polish kings. So these are little interesting facts here and there. Now, it also was part of the filming locations from the Steven Spielberg's Schindler's List, were all filmed in Krakow's Kazimierz district, the historic Jewish quarter. And actually the Wawel Cathedral, it actually houses one of the largest bells in all of Europe. Now also Krakow has its own prime meridian, which was used by Nicholas Copernicus before Greenwich. Now these are the little things that you have to actually try to investigate and find on your own, because all these little cities, they might have more importance than you actually might think of. For example, another one would be that the old town of Krakow including the Wawel Castle, was one of the first sites in the world to be recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Now, this is actually one of the most awesome churches here that you can look at as you're walking. I mean, this is one of the things I love, that you don't have to pay to look at stuff. It's actually free right there. And there are a lot of shops. Once again, we are in the old town, in the city center. And of course, I just wanted to film one of the souvenir shops here right before I look for a place to have lunch at. So I actually stumbled upon this place, and it offered typical and traditional cuisine here from Poland. So I might as well just go ahead and check it out. I'm going to get an appetizer from here, and then I'm going to get some traditional food. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from the appetizer, and I'll see if I can recommend this place as well for you to eat.
Here's some of the food. Got a typical beer. It's pretty good, especially after a hot day. And I'm trying a lot of kind of appetizers from Poland. Everything good, everything delicious. Highly recommend. We have horse carriage rides here. Very interesting. Oh, thank you. Well, this is interesting. I'm taking all these little leaves off, and I'm about to try this Polish food. Well, I wanted to get a actual first impression reaction to it. It's quite interesting. It's like meat flavor, with like cabbage, a little sweet. A little salty, so it's unique. I love it. So that restaurant that I just ate at was pretty good. I would actually rate it a 5 out of 5. I know it's more towards the tourist area, but it was actually pretty good. It was a little bit expensive, but totally worth it. I was able to try some authentic Polish food. Right now I'm mostly like in the city center, like in the main central. And that's why there's like a lot of people around me. It's really nice, really beautiful. There's a lot of activity, a lot of things going on, a lot of music, a lot of restaurants. So more of Krakow. There's some painters there. A lot of restaurants, interesting buildings. It's a church that's being remodeled. There's a lot of people over there. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some snacks before I leave. Trying Polish beer. Not bad. Some nice appetizers.
They got it already.
Okay.
You can have
Oh.
it as a
Okay, it's fine. Thank
There
you.
go. Cheers.
Thank you. Interesting. So this is the restaurant I ate at. The Black Duck Polish cuisine. It's kind of hidden. These are little guided vehicles, tour cars. We are entering now basically the city center of the old town. Those carriages. Of course, everything here is going to be overpriced. You're going to be paying the tourist price. But it will be a nice view around it. The clock tower. A lot of restaurants. Now I have to give this is a scammer. Yeah, anybody that's trying to give anything for free or sell your bracelets is most likely going to be a scammer. You're going to find this all over Europe. So I'm probably going to stand in the middle of this and go ahead and take a picture of it. Take some pictures around it, that's what I mean. But it's a nice open area. There's the clock tower. I'll try to get it in the background. Today's very popular. That's great. This is like the center of everything. Every day is different. Things can change. And with that, I conclude this chapter of Krakow here in Poland. I'll see you on the next episode here on the Richter Show. I guess we'll see you on the next country.
Shout out to the host, to the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.